Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've uploaded because of the breaks and the holidays that have just taken place over the past few weeks, so I'm excited to be back and we're just going to jump straight into things today. Okay, guys, so a lot has changed since the last time I uploaded. This is actually the last video that I uploaded on YouTube. It was about 2 weeks ago, and our challenge wallet that we started with 1 Solana about 40 days ago was at about $3,000, and as you can see now, we have made some serious progress and we are almost at around 6K. And so for the video today, I kind of want to just break down what we have done to get the wallet to this point, and also where you guys can be up to date with all of the latest info, all of the things that I'm doing across my channels. Because, you know, a lot has changed over the past few weeks, and I just want to make sure that we are all on the same page moving into the new year, because it is going to be crazy. But I do want to spend some time at the beginning of this video just going over all of the assets we have across different wallets, because everything started with 1 Solana in this wallet about 40 days ago. Obviously, we've been doing pretty well to build up the portfolio value in this wallet so far, but we also have some Solana in other places. So for example, on Photon, I have about, I would say 1.8-ish Solana right now, give or take, because we're active in a few positions, but we have some Solana there. And we also do have some Solana in our Nova bot as well, which I have imported here into Phantom. We just crossed 6,000, which is great. But this is just basically just to show you guys all of the Solana that we are currently working with and where I have it in different places. And just to explain to some of you if you're new, I keep different amounts of Solana in different places for various amounts of reasons. For Photon, I use the Solana in these wallets for new launches. Most of the coins that I am buying here are usually higher risk, more gamble-like plays. As you can see, I make a lot of these types of plays on Photon. So that is where I keep, you know, basically money that I'm comfortable losing and I can afford to gamble with. It's just an easy way for me to mentally disassociate from the rest of my Solana. And if I lose, you know, 2 Solana in Photon, I'm not going to cry about it at the end of the day. And if you've been watching some of my videos, you also know that I also have Telegram bots set up. So Nova is what I'm personally using right now. I have about a half a Solana in here that I literally just use if I see something on the go and I'm not by my desk. I can quickly just insert a position, buy and sell it, manage it all through Telegram. Yeah, that's basically all the Solana we have right now. It's probably about like 14 to 15 Solana liquid. And then obviously we have a few positions that we are working with right now. The biggest one being Alaris agent. And I won't go too into the weeds on why I'm purchasing this, but I actually am pretty bullish on this play because it is a yield optimizer. And essentially what that means is that this person, the developer, is building a bot that basically will do a lot of the heavy lifting for you when it comes to managing your DeFi positions. Basically, this guy is building a bot which entire purpose is to make you the most amount of money possible in the DeFi world. And with that being said, make sure that you're staying tuned to my channel because we're going to do a whole video on the DeFi world, and that is a completely different side of crypto that we haven't even touched yet, so stay tuned for more videos. But now I wanted to just hop in Deck Screener and just go over some of the previous positions that we've had and what has gotten us to this point. So if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I started this challenge on TikTok, and one of the first positions that I ever called out and mentioned was Chill Guy. I got Chill Guy all the way down here at 1 million, basically 1.5 million, I would say was my average price when I first started the challenge. And that took us from basically 1 Solana to, I would say, about 7 to 8 liquid Solana right off the bat, which obviously really helps a lot when you're just starting out. But the main thing that has changed since we started this challenge is that I used to only really be buying meme coins, and the market has evolved so much since the start of this challenge that now we have completely transitioned from the Chill Guys and the Weights of the world and Chant and Soldier and some of the older tokens that we've, you know, talked about on this channel before into AI. And AI is now the only thing that I really look at, really care about. So since the market evolved so much and we had really shifted our focus from meme coins and kind of looking at the best and hottest narratives to more so focusing on utility plays like something like Graphene, we have really started to make a ton of money, and we have a really good pulse on the market. And for those of you that are new here and didn't know this, I have a Telegram channel and a Discord channel where I talk about all the things that I'm looking at, buying, selling, etc. And we called out Griffane at a $14 million market cap on December 6th at 11:49 a.m. here. And as you can see now, Griffane absolutely went parabolic, and this play quite literally could have changed a lot of people's lives. If you guys bought at 14 million and just literally sat on your hands till now, you would be up a disgusting amount of money. And guys, this wasn't the only AI play that went absolutely crazy. I mean, if you've been in the Telegram channel, you know that we've had a lot of pretty big ones. But another notable one was Swarm Node AI. We called it originally at 700K, and right now I think it just crossed 100 mil. Let me pull it up. So as you can see, here was another one that was absolutely insane. I got this one personally on Photon at, let's just look at my average price. It's disgusting actually where we got this one. I completely fumbled it. As you can see, I didn't make a ton of money on it, but you know that these mistakes are gonna happen, and the quicker that you realize it, the better you can prepare yourself for the future. My average price, I'm pretty sure here is like 2.6 mil, but originally it was at 700K. My holdings here can show. So as you can see here, I was holding 150K tokens. Let's quickly just see how much that's worth right now. Yeah, it's worth $15,000. So definitely fumbled that one a little, but again, these things are going to happen. The quicker that you learn about these mistakes, the better you can do in the future, the more money we're going to make. It's going to be okay. But with that being said, guys, please join the Telegram channel if you haven't already. I have been active throughout the entire break, updating everyone on my positions. We had a new call out yesterday that I put up here, ALR. This is the position that I have in my Phantom right now, and it's my biggest position. It's already, I think, at around 5.6 mil, but either way, join the Telegram channel if you haven't already, and also I will see you on Discord as well. But one of the main things I wanted to highlight today was during the break, I don't know if some of you guys noticed this or not, but there was a very sharp dip that took place across a lot of different major coins. Like Griffane, for example, took a 50% dip basically. And there was a lot of fear, there was a lot of uncertainty and doubt in the Telegram and Discord about, you know, the direction of the markets and what was going to happen. And guys, this is really when you have opportunities to make a lot of money. One of the biggest things I'm noticing right now in the Telegram and Discord channel is that when the markets are green and when the markets are hot, you guys are chomping at the bit to buy, but the first red candle you guys see, you get scared and you think that everything is over. Guys, these are meme coins. They're literally as volatile as it gets, and you're gonna be in situations where you're not gonna be comfortable making some of these purchases, but usually those end up working out the best if you are buying heavy dips, because you're buying tokens that are heavily discounted. You don't want to be buying them when they're up here. You want to be buying them when they're down here. And one of the best examples I can give of that is Crab. Crab is something that I called out in our Telegram channel at 1.2 million. It's currently at 2.7 million, but multiple times it's had these major run-ups to the 7 mil range. The all-time high now has been 9 million. And guys, I'm selling when it's up at 9 million. I'm buying it down here when it's at 2 million, 2.5 million, 1 million. This is where you get the buying opportunities. So for example, right now, nobody is paying attention to Crab. This is when I recommend buying these tokens. It's not when Crab is up here hitting its all-time high. That is not when you're supposed to be buying these things. And I know that intuitively doesn't make a ton of sense to you guys because you're new to investing and you're new to the meme coin space in general, but quite literally, you should be buying when things are red and you should be selling them when they're green. It can be that simple. But guys, you all know this already. Nothing I say in any of my videos is financial advice, so please do your own research and make decisions based on your own situation. But guys, I am personally so excited for the next 2 months. I think that there is so much opportunity out there on the market right now. I know that the video today didn't really go into detail about some of my newer positions or things like that, but I'm really just still getting caught up and kind of back into my daily routine right now. So expect some bigger videos to come out the next few days. Notably, I want to go over providing liquidity. I want to go over airdrop farming, and I want to go over staking in the next like 3 to 5 days. So the next few videos might be a little bit more heavy on the educational side, but as always, we're going to do a market and wallet update at the start of each video. And in the future, like the next few videos, I'm going to actually go into detail on why I'm buying things like ALR, which is one of the newer plays. And there have been, a few more on my radar. So I will keep you guys updated. But if you want to see what I'm doing between now and tomorrow when the next video comes out, feel free to hop in the Discord. This is new. And also, if you're not in the Telegram already, I will have links to both of these places down in the description below. Both my Telegram and my Discord are completely free, and they always will be. Both of the links can be found here in my channel bio. So with that being said, that will wrap up the video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for daily uploads to continue for the foreseeable future. All right, I'll see you guys in the Telegram and Discord, and I will also see you in the video for tomorrow. See ya.